Hey guys. We're eating food.
Arizona iced tea.
And yeah, we're drinking Arizona iced tea in our Shrek cups. So yeah, I don't know what to do.
I have a lot of mosquito bites. It's red, dude.
So yeah.
Oh, it's still going. I thought you stopped it. Oh yeah.
Look at her pencil. It's party.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Oh, it feels so good.
So yeah, Kelsey's gonna go home later. Then I have to go to driver's ed. And it's August. And I don't want school to start. But it is August and you're supposed to vlog every day in August.
Oh yeah.
So that's what we're doing.
I already fell behind.
Yeah, me too. I fell behind for like one day though. I made a vlog last night or before I went to bed.
Oh god.
I want it to be July again.
There's Shrek.
Shrek and Puss. Puss.
Where's our Shrek?
I mean,
Yeah.
Fiona. Yeah. Fiona.